What if the next watch you wear could actually tell you when your legs are done, when your lungs are ready, and when you're pushing too far? Not guess, not estimate, but truly understand your body in real time. That is exactly why the Garmin Fenix 9 is creating so much noise right now. And here's the crazy part. It may be launching much sooner than anyone expected. After months of silence, a massive leak reported by Notebook Check has changed everything. Deep inside a recent APK teardown of the Garmin Connect Android app, developers found a direct reference to an unreleased device called the Enduro 4. Now you might be wondering, why does that even matter? It matters because Garmin has a clear pattern. The Enduro line almost always launches alongside the Fenix series. The Enduro 3 arrived with the Fenix 8. So if the Enduro 4 is hiding in the code, history strongly suggests the Fenix 9 is not far behind. On top of that, Garmin's own CEO hinted that the second half of 2026 will be a huge period for their outdoor division. When you connect the dots, the timeline becomes obvious. The Fenix 9 is coming, and it could be Garmin's biggest upgrade in years. Now the real question, should you wait for it or should you buy the Fenix 8 right now? Let's break this down clearly and simply. The Fenix line has never been about flashy trends. Garmin built its reputation on three things: rugged durability, insane battery life, and extremely accurate tracking. That is why hikers, ultrarunners, cyclists, and serious outdoor athletes trust this watch. It is not a fashion accessory. It is a survival tool on your wrist. But the Fenix 9 is not shaping up to be a small yearly refresh. If even half of the leaks are true, this could be a massive leap forward. The most talked about feature right now is something called muscle battery. Garmin recently trademarked this name, and many analysts believe it will debut with the Fenix 9. You already know about body battery and training readiness. They tell you how recovered you are overall, but muscle battery could go deeper, much deeper. Imagine finishing an intense leg workout or running a brutal mountain trail. Instead of just giving you a general fatigue score, your watch could tell you that your quads are heavily fatigued but your upper body is fully recovered. That changes everything. It means smarter training, fewer injuries, better performance. This feature is expected to work with Garmin's next generation Elevate Gen 6 optical sensor. There are strong rumors about real-time muscle oxygen monitoring, also known as SMO2 tracking. Right now, measuring localized muscle oxygen usually requires expensive professional equipment. If Garmin brings this to a smartwatch, it would completely change the fitness tracking industry. But the Fenix is not only about workouts, it is built for the wild. Navigation is also expected to get a serious upgrade. Leaks suggest a new tri-band GNSS system with dramatically improved precision. Some reports even claim accuracy could reach up to 50 centimeters under ideal conditions. Think about what that means: cleaner map tracking, more precise pace data, better route accuracy in dense forests or deep city areas. When you're far from civilization, that level of accuracy is not just impressive, it is critical. And then there is satellite communication. Garmin already has experience with satellite devices, but the Fenix 9 could integrate enhanced off-grid messaging directly into the watch. That means sending status updates, contacting emergency services, or checking in with family even when there is no cell service at all. For backpackers and extreme adventurers, this alone could justify the upgrade. Now let's talk about what could be the biggest hardware breakthrough: the display. For years, Garmin users had to choose. Do you want a beautiful AMOLED screen with bright colors but shorter battery life? Or do you want a solar display with amazing endurance but less visual punch? According to supply chain leaks, Garmin may eliminate that compromise completely. The Fenix 9 could feature a hybrid display system, a high-resolution OLED panel combined with a transparent solar charging layer on top. That means rich colors and smooth animations while still harvesting sunlight to extend battery life. If this works as rumored, it would be a game changer for outdoor smartwatches. Of course, a powerful display needs a powerful processor. Reports suggest a redesigned, faster chipset. That would mean smoother map scrolling, quicker zooming, and faster route recalculations. No more lag when you need information quickly. Everything would feel instant and fluid. On top of that, we are expecting smarter AI-driven coaching, not just static data, real guidance. The watch could adapt recommendations based on your sleep, muscle fatigue, weather conditions, and upcoming race plans. Instead of only showing numbers, it could tell you exactly what to do next. In terms of build quality, expect the usual Garmin toughness: titanium bezels, sapphire crystal glass, fiber-reinforced polymer body, strong water resistance. This watch will be built like a tank, just like its predecessors. Now let's be honest about the price. This will not be cheap. Industry expectations suggest a starting price around $999. Premium versions with titanium and sapphire could easily cross $1,200. This is serious gear for serious users. So here is my honest opinion. If the Fenix 9 delivers muscle battery tracking, near 50-centimeter GPS accuracy, hybrid solar OLED display, and integrated satellite messaging, it could become the most complete outdoor smartwatch ever made. It would not just be an upgrade, it would be a statement. But if you already own a Fenix 8 or another recent high-end Garmin watch, the day-to-day difference might not feel revolutionary at first. And some advanced features could arrive later through software updates instead of being fully ready at launch. If you are using an older model like the Fenix 6 or 7, waiting for the Fenix 9 makes a lot of sense. The jump would be huge. But if you urgently need a watch right now for training or adventure, the Fenix 8 is still an absolute beast and will not disappoint you. At the end of the day, this comes down to patience and budget. The leaks are exciting, the timeline looks real, but until Garmin officially unveils the device, we should treat every rumor carefully. Still, if even half of this becomes reality, the smartwatch world is about to change in a big way. Let me know in the comments, are you waiting for the Fenix 9 or are you buying what is available right now? And if you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.